Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll take you through natural language processing with sllearn. In this lesson, you'll learn what natural language processing is, how natural language processing is helpful, applications using natural language processing, modules to load content and category, how to apply feature extraction techniques, how to apply approaches of natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, is an automated way to understand, analyze human languages, and extract information from such data by applying machine learning algorithms. The data content can be text document, image, audio, or video. Sometimes it's also referred to as a field of computer science or artificial intelligence to extract the linguistics information from the underlying data. NLP enables machines or computers to derive meaning from human or natural language input. The world is now connected globally due to the advancement of technology and devices. This has resulted in the high volume of digital data across the world and has led to a number of challenges in analyzing data, including analyzing the tons of data that is generated in the form of text, image, audios, and videos. Identifying approximately 6,500 languages and dialects followed across the globe. Applying quantitative analysis on huge collections of data. Handling ambiguities while interpreting data and extracting information. This is where natural language processing proves useful. One of the main goals of natural language processing is to understand various languages, process them, and extract information from them. In NLP, full automation can be easily achieved by modern software libraries, modules, and packages. These software libraries and packages are aware of diverse language and culture and categorize data accordingly, which enables understanding sentiments better. With the help of these libraries, we can also build analytical models and automate the natural language process with minimum or no human interventions. NLP terminology. Now that you have understood why NLP is so important in recent times, it's time to make yourself comfortable with the NLP terminologies. 1. Word boundaries. It determines where one word ends and the other begins. 2. Tokenization. It's a technique to split words, phrases, idioms, etc. present in a document. 3. Stemming. It's a process to map words to their stem or root. It's very useful in finding synonyms and extensively used in search engines. 4. TF-IDF. It's a numerical value which represents how important a word is to a document or corpus. 5. Semantic analytics. It's a technique in vectorial semantics of analyzing relationships between a set of documents and the terms it contains by producing a set of concepts related to the documents and terms. 6. Disambiguation. It's a technique to determine the meaning and sense of words, context versus intent. 7. Topic models. It's a type of statistical model for finding abstract topics which occur in a collection of documents. Now that you are familiar with the various terminologies, let's dive deeper into the NLP approaches to analyze text data. These approaches can be interrelated, or they can be independently applied depending on the type of data to analyze. Basic text processing. It's a way to analyze text and extract keywords that sum up the style or basic context of the text, for example, if the content is religious or fictional. Categorizing and tagging words. This approach is about finding lexical categories and automatically tagging each word with its word class. For example, tag a word using languages such as Chinese, Spanish, etc. Words can also be tagged as adjectives, verbs, nouns, and so on. Classify text. With this approach, you can identify particular features of language and use them to classify it. For example, classify the text as sports, politics, or technology. Extract information. This approach is about identifying the entities and relationships in a text to extract information in a structured way. For example, date, time, money, and direction can be used to establish relationships with other words available in the text. Analyze sentence structure. In this approach, capture formal grammar to describe the structure of a set of sentences. For example, find a well-formed or ill-formed sentence structure. Build feature-based structure. Through this approach, we get an insight into grammatical categories of the text document. For example, detect features of text based on speech tag or some grammar rules. Analyze the meaning. Perform quantitative analysis of the given set of data to extract the information. For example, find entities in the text and try to establish a relationship between them. In this demo, we'll view how to install NLP environment. Let's open the Anaconda prompt. Please ensure that your system is connected to the internet. Let's go ahead and enter conda install sllearn. It will install the sllearn package. Enter conda install NLTK. It will install the NLTK package into your Python environment. Now type in Python in Anaconda prompt command line. Type in import NLTK here to install the corpus, collections, and models. We are interested in installing stopwords corpus. Select it and then click Download button. It will install the stopwords corpus in your Python environment. Now let's navigate through the other models and all packages. Ensure that stopwords status is installed. Now you can close the window and go back to Jupyter Notebook environment. In this demo, you learned how to install the NLP environment. In this demo, you'll learn how to perform sentence analysis. Let's start by importing the required library class string from NLTK corpus. Let's then import stopwords, which we've installed earlier as part of the environment setup. In the world of text analysis, stopwords usually have little lexical meaning. Some examples of stopwords are I, me, myself, we, our, ours, you, yours, and so on. Now let's view the first 10 stopwords present in the stopwords corpus of NLTK library. This is done by passing 0 to 10 index position in the parentheses. Next, let's create a test sequence to analyze. We'll create a variable test sentence and pass the sentence, "This is my first test string." Wow, we are doing just fine. First, we'll use string class punctuation to remove all the punctuation present in each message, as they are also less weighted for text analysis. Then, we'll remove the stopwords. Now we'll use basic Python syntax to display the characters which don't have punctuation. As you can see, we make use of basic string class and its punctuation function. Display the whole sentence with no punctuation. We just completed the first step of the sentence analysis process.